Hey guys, Aaron here with Anarchy Outdoors. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking, can you tell? We're talking bolt knobs. It was one of the first things that we started doing, is we started making bolt knobs. The grenade is probably one of our very first ones. And the Fluted, probably our very first bolt knobs that we ever made. And now we make them in a variety of different materials and styles. So I'll just go through some of the red ones down here in just a second. So probably our most popular bolt knob is the dragon scale, and in different colors. So you can see we got dragon scale here in red. We've got the long dragon scale. It is 1.9 inches long, and then you have a shorter version which is 1.5 inches. So it depends on what you're using and how your bolt handle is angled to which one that you would use. But as you can see, we do most of them out of aluminum, and then we have a few right here in the middle. These are all grade 5 titanium. So this is the grenade, long dragon scale, short dragon scale. So right here we have the titanium fluted knob. This is one of my favorite bolt knobs. I just like the flutes, and it allows you to get some good purchase on it. It works really, really well. And here we have the Acorn. It's not as aggressive, but still has a good tactile feel. And then we have the sphere. This works really well with our Tika T3X and T3 handle. Just with the sweep of it, it works really, really, really well. Kind of mimics the AI style of bolt throw. And then coming down here, we've got, you got some blue anodized with some cutouts, so some two-tone looks. And then we have, like I said, our most popular is probably the long dragon scale. And these are Cerakoted OD green and Cerakoted FDE, and just bolt knobs for days and days. As you can see on this rifle, the rifle that started it all. This is my rifle. It kind of started the whole Anarchy thing and a lot of the products that we make. But one of the fun things about anything is personalizing it. Your truck, side by side, house, car, rifle, and just making the rifle yours. So we offer all these bolt handles. They're offered in 5/16 by 24, which is your typical standard, and then we are making them in M6, which will fit your CZ 457, your Desert Techs, and some other rifles as well. So stay tuned. We've always got new things coming. And if you look over here on this rifle, this is a gold or brass. You can be the judge. Anodized titanium long dragon scale. So a lot of times guys will just do like stainless steel, no titanium nitride, which gives you that nice gold finish. But this is actually a anodized titanium. So we'll do limited runs from time to time on different bolt handles, so you guys can check it out. Just remember, sound off in the comments below of what your personal favorite bolt knob is that we sell, or one that you'd like to try. And if you've got any suggestions for other ones to make, we'll always take them into consideration. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot, and have a good one.